Hello everyone, this is Ren. Welcome back to my classes. So today we are going to learn the 24 finals of Pinyin. So we know the Pinyin is combined by the initials, finals, and tones. For example, this character 好, it means good, like very good, good. So it's this character's Pinyin is this one. So the first part is the initials. We have learned this letter in the previous class. So this is the this is the final letter. Today we are going to learn it. We are going to learn here. This is all. This is all. So the initials, the finals, they put together like 和 all. This is tone, third tone. 和 all 好. So that's made the pinyin of this character. 好 好. Okay. Let's back to the topic to learn our 24 finals. Okay. So the first final letter is so easy, like everyone can pronounce it. Like the second one, I have told you in the previous class. The second one is wo. In the British English, they say so what. Wo. It's this one. This is the third one is. The third letter is pronunciation is like arrest you. This is the fourth one, the fourth letter of the final, the pinyin finals. Its pronunciation is e. We have learned it in the previous class. It's like leave. Leaving, I'm leaving the leaves from the tree. The next one is wu. It has the same pronunciation like this one. This initials W, but it pronounced wu. It's one of the initials in Pinyin. It has same pronunciation. Like the city Wuhan. Okay. The next one. This pronunciation is very difficult. You have to listen carefully. So we can pronounce E. We can pronounce it E. So you try to pronounce E like E. Then you round your lips. You pronounce E first, then you round your lips. Round the lips. Something like E. Then you get the pronunciation of this character, this letter. Like This is the pronunciation of this letter. Then the next one is a fixed combine. This is a fixed. I mean the rest following finals is a combined. The fixed combined finals. Just remember, it's a fixed final. It's fixed finals put together. So when you see it, for example, this one, when you see it in Pinyin, it's all is here. This one is a fixed. The all is a fixed final. So you cannot pronounce it like he a o or. No, it's not. It's not correct. You have to think it as a fixed here, fixed final like 和 ao 好 so if the two finals, the basic two finals put together, if it is one of the fixed finals, you cannot pronounce it one by one. So you have to pronounce it this one. Okay. Let's start to learn the rest of the finals. So this fixed final, fixed combined final is I like the English word like I. Okay. The next one, A is pronounced A. It's like lick. A. Okay. The following one, this combined final, fixed final, is pronounced way. It's just like the English word quit. This part. We quit. We. Okay. Let's learn the next one. This fixed combined final is pronounced like dog, dog. Okay. Then next one, this fixed final is pronounced like o, like show, o, like o from show, like o. Yeah, just like English letter O, the same pronunciation. Next one, this fixed final, it pronounced like U, like university, U, like English letter U, same pronunciation. Okay, the next one, this one, it pronounced like yeah, like yes, yeah, but you have to pronounce it like slightly, not strong, like not like yes, not strong, no, like yeah, slightly. The next one, this is difficult. We see this letter again. So we know this letter U, it pronounced like E, you round the lips. You. So this fixed combined the final, it pronounced like U plus like phonetic simple in English. You have I, like U plus I, UI, so is this fixed final pronunciation is Okay, the next one is R, like shirt, shirt, slightly not strong. The next one is easy, so easy, like the English name, and okay. The next one is easy. This fixed combined final is pronounced like end. Next one, yin. It has same pronunciation like English word yin, but pronounce it slightly like yin. Right. Next one, winter. Like one. Okay. Oh, we see this letter again, yu again. So this combined fixed final, it pronounced like yu plus n, like yun, yuan, yun, 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 yun. So yun is this combined finals pronunciation. Right. The rest of 4 finals, they are a bit difficult. You have to pronounce them with your nose, like Okay. For example, like this one is like its pronunciation is with your nose. You see, it's like English word long, long, Okay. The next one, is with your nose. I didn't find the similar pronunciation. In English or Spanish, so it's a bit difficult with your nose. For example, the Chinese character 冷, its pinyin is 冷. It means cold. In English, it means cold. Its pinyin is 冷, like 冷, with your nose. 冷. You got it? I hope. The next one is easy. Also with your nose. Like king with your nose. The last one, like also with your nose. Your lips like a circle, like For example, 龙, this character 龙, it means the dragon in Chinese. In English, it means dragon. This the dragon in Chinese is 龙. So its pinyin is 龙 like this pronunciation. Okay, let's do it again. Let's review all of them. The first one is o, i, u, Wuhan, yu, like 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 we quit dog dog show university yeah yes yeah like yu plus a then it's like shirt shirt then and yin wen like winter when yun like yu plus and yun and yun like on with the nose on, like long, on. Like long, the Chinese capital long means cold. Long, long, le, long, Then the following one is yin, like king, yin, yin. Then the last one is long, the Chinese dragon, long, le, long, dragon. Okay, this is what we learned today, the 24 finals. So in the previous class, I have told you the initials. So this class, I told you the finals. So it is like 23 initials, 24 finals we have learned. It's like total like 47 letters, or like combined letters. You guys have to memorize how to write these letters and how it pronounced. When you do, when you try to memorize or like to write down, don't think of this English. I just use this English to help you to know its pronunciation. Just the Pinyin will not use. Do not think of this English words. Just memorize the letter and its pronunciation. That's it. So next class we are going to learn the tones and some like fixed pinyin. Also we practice some pinyin. So please memorize all I have taught you this class and last class. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have question. I will try to answer all of your questions. Let's try to. I don't know how many it will be. Okay, see you next class. Bye bye.